Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we are starting this video with showing you what we are going to be cleaning today. I'm going to be cleaning my living room and my dinette area. And I know y'all saw part of that kitchen, which is a hot mess, but I'm not cleaning that today. I got tired, so I'm just cleaning the living room and the dinette area. So what you see me doing is cleaning off, getting ready to, I'm going to actually take my time and kind of deep clean a little bit this area. This is a new console table that I got from Wayfair. If you watched my last video, I told you all that I got some new furniture, and this is one of the pieces that came in. This is a console table from Wayfair, and I got this during the 2-day sale. So I'm having my son help me to move it into the dinette area because I need to move all this stuff out the way. I moved Hawk's bed, and you saw where he basically was tearing it up until we stopped him. And so pieces of it was falling out, but we always just put it back in. And so now I'm just going to move this sectional, and I'm going to be vacuuming. And then after I vacuum, I'm going to mop.
I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do.
So if you're new here, my name is Tamika. I am a working mom, and I work from home. My husband and I recently moved. It's been a year now, actually, since we moved from Florida to North Carolina. And we have our now 13-year-old son here. He just turned 13 on Halloween, so excited about that. I kind of feel a little bittersweet that I have a teenager now, but such is life. I'm glad that he's continuing to just prosper and grow, and I'm excited for him as this journey of life continues to unfold for him. But now I'm just vacuuming the rug, and I started to have some issues with it, and I took it apart. I ended up getting another filter to see if that was the issue. I thought that it was telling me that there was a filter issue, so I got another filter. But of course that wasn't a problem, and my husband steps in to try to help me because it wasn't sucking up the stuff on the carpet. It was clogged. So, and I didn't realize it, and my husband kept saying, "Do you not hear that? That is something wrong with it." So you'll see him come and take it from me and try to fix it. I just ended up rolling up this rug. As you can see, Hawk's always trying to manage somebody. So I ended up rolling up the rug while my husband tries to fix it, and then I started sweeping.
No, yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before he hit the fence, but he hit the fan when I got him down and benched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Ken. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you to hate this. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called her body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul.
So I know it's not normal, but I love the mop and go. So I used it even on my console table. I'm using it to wipe down this table. I use it to wipe down my chairs because they're wood also. And I use it on my dining room table in my last video when I showed you all me cleaning up my dining room. So I really love that mop and go. I love the smell. I'm actually moving this plant. And you all will see I tried to move some things around, and I didn't know if I was gonna like that centerpiece on the table, and I didn't. So I ended up moving this particular centerpiece to the foyer, and then I moved, if you remember, this centerpiece was in my last video, but it's always been on the table in the foyer, and I moved it here. I think it works perfect here, and so I moved the other centerpiece to the foyer, and then I moved my plant, my green plant, to the living room area, and it looks really nice there, and you guys will see shortly coming up in the video. So I thank you so much for watching. This is the finished look of everything, and you can see the green plant there. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.